Okay, hey guys, so today we're gonna be eating really good food, which is beloved fruits and vegetables. And yeah, it's actually really good for your health, and we're gonna eat it today. So, fruits are essential to part of your life, especially apples, because an apple away keeps a doctor away. And that's why everyone should be encouraged to eat apples. But ooh. But at the same time, if you're wearing braces like me, apples are the easiest way to break your brackets. So it's actually not recommended by the doctor to eat apples. But you know why it's not recommended by the doctor? Because apples away keeps the doctor day. Now we're gonna try. Now we're gonna try the oranges. So usually how I like to eat oranges is I will not do it like that. I will peel the orange like this. So I'll dig my nail in, and then I'll get it all out like that. So I'll just slowly slice it, and there you go. Now your orange is well sliced, perfect to eat. And that's how I slice my oranges. And then I realized I also need to take a thumbnail, so let's take a nice thumbnail. I think the thumbnail was well done. Let's go for our second orange. Again, I would like to teach you guys how to peel an orange. Like that. Slice. Ooh, that's the disadvantage, is that it may splash. So you just slice the orange, and also make sure to not have any seeds inside the orange, or else it'll be pretty unpleasant. So as you can see, this is free of seeds, ready to be eaten. They did a good job. Now we have 3 fruits left: an orange, an apple, and an orange. Sorry, wrong way. A orange and 2 apples left. So I will let you guys decide what you want me to eat. Shall I eat the orange first and finish the set, or shall I eat the apple? So I see you guys are a little bit conflicting right now. Some people said apple, some people said orange, and I don't really understand, because there's no resolution to what I'm supposed to eat. Looks like a lot of people say orange, so we'll finish off with the orange. As you can see, beautiful orange tonight, very juicy. Again, do the same thing and slice the orange with the nail. Just very cleanly push your way through it. Maybe splashing everywhere, but it's okay. Make sure your place is well sanitized after that. And now you can eat your beautiful orange. Oh, that's beautiful. That's what we're talking about. Now there's only 2 apples left. So what would you guys like me to eat? The left apple or the right apple? Looks like you guys want me to eat the right apple, so I'll eat the right apple. Apple looks a little bit rough today, but nothing to worry about. And now we have one more apple. Which side of the apple would you like me to eat first, the top or the bottom? I would like you guys to answer this question. Someone said the side of the apple. So let's try that. We're gonna eat the side of the apple. Oh, that's it. That was a malfunction, but it's okay. So now we're gonna eat the side of the apple. Oh, so let's not do that because I don't want my braces to come out. So I will eat it manually. What would you like me to eat next? Alright. The fruits tonight were splendid. Now if you guys want to win these 3 orange peels, please comment Legocraze keeps the doctor away, and you can stand a chance to win an orange peel. Peace.